guys, welcome back. So in today's video, let's learn how to play that music part I played on our flute. Okay, so that part from Kadhal Rojave song, that chorus part of that song. So let's see how to play that song. Need to say before that you start in playing, if you're not familiar with flat notes, you must practice flat notes before you playing this one, because this has C sharp, then F sharp, and also A sharp. Okay, so if you want to play this one, you need to familiar with that flat notes. Okay, so let's see how to play this one line by line. First line goes like, starting with Shuddha Re, Re Ma Ga Re Ga Re. At the end, it's Komal Re. Re Ma Ga Re Ga Re. Once again, Re Ma Ga Re Ga Re. That line for 2 times like this. Okay, and then Re Ma. This time Tivrama. Okay, Re Ma. Re Ma Pa Ni Da Ma Ga. Re Ma. Re Ma Pa Ni Da. Okay, Re Ma. Re Ma Pa Ni Dha Ma Ga. Starting with Re, then Tivrama. Re Ma Pa Ni Dha, then Shuddha Ma Ga. Like this. Once again from the beginning. Okay, repeat both lines for 2 times for the chorus part, and then starting with Tivrama, Ma Ma Pa, then Shuddha Ma Ga. Ma Ma Pa Ma Ga. Okay, repeat the line for 3 times. Ma Ma Pa Ma Ga. Ma Ma Pa Ma Ga. Ma Ma Pa Ma Ga. Okay. Okay, and then Ma Ma Pa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga. Ma Ma Pa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga. Okay, and then Re Ga Ma Ga Re. Re Ga Ma Ga. When we play Ga, Re Ga Ma Ga, then we touch Re. Okay, Re Ga Ma Ga. Okay, you can see my fingering. Re Ga Ma Ga. Ga Re. Okay, and then Pa Da Ni Da Pa. Pa Da, then Komal Ni Da Pa. Ga Ga. At the end, Ga Ga. So guys, that's it. So now you guys know how to play Kadhal Rojave song chorus part. And need to say, as I mentioned before, if you're not familiar with flat notes, please practice that notes, because if you're not comfortable with flat notes, you cannot play this song beautifully. So practice flat notes more, and then you can try this one. So I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. So if you guys learn something, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.